Welcome to this art film. My name's Jamila Walker and I'm a visual artist. I hope you enjoy the film.
For this activity, you're going to need some paper and something to draw with. You can use pastels, pencils, pens, whatever you're comfortable with. So the theme of this session is texture. Now you might want to look around your home or local area or when you're on a walk for different forms of texture made from different materials, rough things, smooth things. Once you've started opening your mind to looking for textures, it'll be like a visual scavenger hunt and you'll be seeing them and questioning them and being interested in them everywhere you go. So now I'd like you to take one item from your texture scavenger hunt. Maybe you took a photograph of it or it's an object within your home, and we're going to use that item for inspiration. I've selected this small fake plant for my drawing, and right now I'm just doing a really simple drawing of it using a black fine liner. I've picked this item because it's got a few textures already within it. It's got the glass of the container and it's got the stones and the fake leaves which are made from plastic, and I'm not entirely sure what they've used to make the soil. So I'm making marks that don't exactly replicate what I can see from this item. I'm using textured marks that I've seen when I've been doing my textured scavenger hunt, where I've been looking around my surroundings for different types of texture, different types of patterns, and I'm just being experimental with it here. And later I'll use some colour. So my aim for this film is for you as well as me to be more observational, to really look at the textures of things and where possible to feel them, to be mindful and to explore our world in a new and different way. I've decided to add colour to my picture and I'm using some blendable felt tips, but you can use whatever colours and materials that you want to. I'm sort of taking reference from the real item, but I'm not using colours that exactly match, and I'm just sort of being playful and experimental and trying to be mindful and not think beyond what I'm doing at each moment. It's not easy for me, but I think that it's very beneficial for me to work in this way sometimes. And I don't think art always has to be super serious, so I think sometimes just going with the flow can be quite freeing. Here's my final piece. I had fun playing with colour and texture.